Welcome back, students. This is my third video on the topic adjectives, where I am covering adjectives, what are adjectives, its kinds, how are adjectives formed. I am talking about the 3 degrees comparison of adjectives and their formation. So this video is for both for class 6 and 7, because I want for standard 7 I want to revise the whole topic. So please go through it attentively. I am referring to, please don't panic, because I am referring to both the books, standard 6 and 7. Standard 6 you have done it in your earlier classes. Still I want to revise everything with you. So please go through it carefully. So I have already talked about a few in my earlier videos. Now we will talk about adjectives or demonstrative adjective. This is a standard 6 book and this is a standard 7 book where it is written demonstrative adjectives. So what are demonstrative adjectives? Demonstrative adjective point out pronouns and nouns and always comes before the words they are referring to. Suppose, I used to buy this kind of shirt. So they are demonstrating this kind, this. So we are talking about this particular shirt. So this is a demonstration. When you point out to something, the noun or a pronoun. So this, that, these, those, all this is demonstrative when you point out to something. So these kinds of adjectives are used to point to a particular noun. And these adjectives are these, that, these, those, and these and those. Few example, I liked this piece of furniture. So furniture over here is your noun, and this, because we are talking about this particular furniture. That plate is mine. So that which the plate is here, so it is that. So that, those, these here becomes your demonstrative adjectives, because demonstrative, any adjective has to have a noun or a pronoun following it. It cannot hang in the air. Next we come to adjectives or interrogative adjectives, which is also given in a standard 7 book. So what is an interrogative adjectives? As the name shows, to interrogate. So these adjectives ask questions about the nouns in a sentence. They are where, what, which, why, how, whose, etc. So the interrogative adjectives ask questions and are always followed by a noun. What film are you watching? What, which is followed by a noun, film. Which, followed by a noun, plan. And there is a question mark. So it is an interrogative adjective over here. And the best way to, I told you, to identify is if there is a noun just after the word. So it is here interrogative adjective. More examples. Which pair of shoes do you want? Whose bag is this? What color was the car? So these is the kind of adjectives. So in standard 6 book, the kinds of adjectives and adjective has to be done. In the standard 7 book, there is a types which you have done, which I have talked about. Now in the standard 7 book, we will talk, it is given about forming of adjectives, which I will come later on. First I will talk about the comparison of adjectives given in standard 6 book, which is also the part of standard 7 book in page number 15, degrees of comparison. Okay, so first let us talk about what is degrees of comparison. Or we can do this, thank you for this. I will do this degree of comparison in the next video. Thank you.